everybody, Wicked Penny here. 75-mile-an-hour wind gusts out there today. Shit's blowing around. I thought I would just wear black because it seemed like something, you know, like Black Monday. I don't know why. The weather is just hideous. Anyway, let's get today's recipe. I'm having just my iced coffee. It's early in the morning. There may or may not be a little rum chata in here. Actually, no. It's Kahlua. I love it in my morning Joe. Anyway, I'm making today some meatballs. But they're a little special. Because you know why? They're stuffed with mozzarella. So I have a friend who I pretty much think he's obsessed with mozzarella. I thought I would make these and surprise him. Well, it's not going to be so much of a surprise because they're going to be long gone and eaten by the time he sees this video. But anyway, this is for you, Easy. Mozzarella stuffed meatball. I'm going to put you down real quick. Guys, there you go so you can see what I'm doing. Here's about a little over a pound of ground beef. Actually, let me take my rings off. We're going to be using God's tools today. That's right. We're going to be using the tools God gave you, you know, to cook with. So anyway, my ground beef. I'll put the recipe in the description. Breadcrumbs. I use seasoned Italian breadcrumbs. There's some parsley chopped up in there and everything. This is my little season bowl, okay? It's got some grated Parmesan Reggiano, salt, pepper, garlic salt, onion powder. Get it all in there. Guys, I have 1 egg whipped. And this is a little secret that my girlfriend gave me. It might not be such a secret. A little milk. Okay, now, tools. Clean. God's tools. Do not overwork your meat. Guys, just gently folding. I'm not packing. You know what I mean? If you do that, what happens when you overwork your meat? It gets hard. It really does, I'm sure you know. So anyway, we want some soft meat here. As soft as can be. So, that's it. Everything is in. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do is, look guys, look at my little trick here. Can you see? Look at this. Guess what these are? You got it. Voila! Mozzarella sticks. Make sure it's whole milk, or I prefer whole milk mozzarella sticks, but they're hard to find. Oh, I'm going to eat one. You get 5 portions out of a stick, but just don't make sure it's fake cheese, guys. You know, the fake, you know, just white string cheese, and you don't know what kind of cheese it is. Look at this. Little patty in there. Look, I put it in. Foldy fold. Look at that. Make sure all the holes are, you know, putting them on my cookie sheet. I could have probably done a few of these ahead of time for you, which I will. I mean, I can't now because, look, it's just like a little assembly line. Put a little meat in the palm of your hand. Can you see how easy this is? Look, you got that big hunk of mozzarella in there. Look, you can make them as big as you want, as small as you want. When I'm in a hurry, guys, I cook these right in the sauce. So you know what happens when you cook fatty meat in sauce. It turns your sauce orange. So I have all the time in the world today. So I'm going to make them, pop them in the oven at 350 degrees. And I check on them. As soon as I see the teeniest bit of cheese oozing out, I know they're done. Because the pressure built up of the cheese expanding inside the meatball is a telltale sign that your meatballs are done. Okay? So you get the gist, right? I'll do one more for you. Then I'm going to zoom you up. Okay, look at this. See? Palm of your hand. Put it in there. Oh my God, guys, your kids are going to love you if you have a hard time getting them to eat meat. You know what I mean? All right, one more. I'm going to do one more. If you have a hard time getting them to eat any type of meat, pop some cheese in their meatball. Go to town. They're going to be so excited when they slice it open. Okay? Let me grab a paper towel and I'll put yous up real quick. Okay, guys. So what I'm going to do, finish these up, pop them in the oven. We're going to come back. I'll cut one open so you can see the blob of cheese and how delicious it can be. So I'll be right back as soon as they're done. Toodles. Hi, guys. I'm back. I think I hear them sizzling. Let's take a look. Oh, my. Can you hear that? I gotta show you this. Look at this. Guys, look at this. Look at these meatballs. See the cheese oozing out? That's when you know they're done. See that? Oh my God, don't those look good, right? Am I right? Oh God, don't they look good? Tell me your family wouldn't love that. Even if you do cook them in the sauce to turn your sauce orange from the fat, all the cheese is oozing all over the place in that pot of sauce. Absolutely amazing. Okay, I'm gonna put a couple on my plate here for you to see. All right, and ooh, hot, hot, hot. Guys, you know what? I thought I would go all out. You know, instead of using ragu, I'd switch it up and go for the good stuff. Francesco Rinaldi. I'm so excited. And you know what? I was thinking about using this fancy schmancy Parmesan Reggiano. But you know what? I like this shit. This shit's it. This shit is it. I do. I'm going to put a little sauce on my balls. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm going to cheese that shit up. Oh, yeah. So you guys can see. Take a seezy. Oh, guys. Oh, look at my fingers. Chopped it up a little bit. Look. Look at that cheesy, oozy goodness. Oh, I opened it up a bit so I didn't burn my mouth. But look at that cheese. Guys, come on. Oh. Look how easy. Make your meatballs for your fam the way that you always do, or my way. Give them a little stuffy stuff. Look at one more money shot. Look at that. Mozzarella goodness, right? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have one more bite. I'm going in. I'm going in. Guys, for sure, if you want, you can, oh my. Shredded, no, it's covered in flour. Sliced mozzarella, balled, chop it up. You don't need to use string cheese. I just use that as a short, quick tip in case you got it in the fridge from your kids. But if it's not 100% mozzarella, it's not going to get ooey chewy. You'll cut into your meatball, it'll be a hunk of cheese sitting in there. It will not melt if it's not mozzarella. So just buy the good stuff. If you buy the slice, just cut it, stack it, cut it, and get it into cubes and stuff it in there. Can't go wrong. So guys, I hope you love it. Easy, I hope you love it. I know you love your mozzarella, baby. Ciao for now. And like, share, subscribe, comment. Penny.WICKED@gmail.com. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Peace.